The sound U. How is the sound U pronounced?
It is pronounced U.
Can you say U?
Very good. The sound U has many different spellings. These include U, UE, UE, EU, and EAU. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings.
F,
Use,
fuse,
Europe,
arg, argue,
beautiful.
The sound U is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue stays in the upper middle part of your mouth, and your lips are rounded when pronouncing the sound U. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue. This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound U.
Europe is a beautiful place, exclaimed Ruby.
Quick recap time.
The sound U has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It is pronounced U and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like fuse, Europe, argue, and beautiful all include the sound